Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I'm going to show you the best WhatsApp AI automation software for businesses in 2026. Now here, I have used Pabbly Chatflow to create 3 chatbots. So this is the AI agent which I've created using Pabbly Chatflow. This is another WhatsApp chatbot using which I'm collecting the details, sending these details of the customers to Google Sheets, spreadsheet or any other CRM and assigning the AI assistant or any AI agent to that particular chatbot. And the third one is I am collecting the order details of the customer and adding that to my spreadsheet or again any other CRM. Now let's check this once. For that, I'm going to open my WhatsApp, and for this AI agent, I'm going to send a question. Now here I have created the AI agent for home interior and furniture business. So I'm going to ask a question related to that. So I'm going to write, hello, what is the price of complete interior renovation for 3 BHK? I have sent this message. Let's wait for the reply. If it sends me the reply related to the same query which I have sent, then this is going to show us this AI agent is working completely fine. Here it is. I have received a detailed reply for a complete 3 BHK interior renovation. Our 3 BHK luxury interior package starts at 12 lakhs onwards, and it has provided me a very detailed message. You see, whatever question you will throw to this AI agent, it will start replying instantly and automatically. So you can create this one AI agent for your business. Moving on towards the next one, which is this WhatsApp chatbot I have created, attaching these boxes like you can see. If you want to get the step-by-step process of how you can create this, then I'm going to attach the link of this particular chatbot and the link of the video where the step-by-step tutorial is available in the description below. You can check it out. Now I'm going to active this chatbot and I'm going to send a question for this particular business on my WhatsApp. So here, let's suppose I'm going to send this message, hi. So this is the message I should receive on my WhatsApp. Hi, welcome to my business, and send details and ask a question. If I click on this ask a question, I will be assigned an AI assistant, and if I click on the send details, the next question will be sent. I have received the message. Let's check on my WhatsApp. So here, this is the message which I have received when I send this hi. Hi, welcome to my business. I can help you with service pricing or any queries. If I open my chatbot, you can see that this is the same exact message. If I click on this send details, it is going to ask me the next question, and the next question should be something like this. Great, let's get started. Please enter your full name. So here it is. It has sent me this message. And if I click on this ask a question, then I can send a question and the AI agent will be assigned to me to resolve the queries. Now this AI agent is something like this. This is the AI agent which I have created, and then you can also assign this AI agent to the WhatsApp chatbot. And I have received this message. Hi, welcome to Growth Edge Solution. How can I help you today? And if I write something like, please tell me about your business, send this question, wait for the reply. It will send me these details. Hi, Growth Edge Solution help businesses automate their marketing, sales, customer communication using no-code tools and AI. So this is how my chatbot will work. I'm going to toggle this off, and I'm going to show you the last chatbot which I have created, where I'm adding the details, taking the orders and adding these details to my Google Sheets spreadsheet. So I'm going to toggle this on, save this, activate this chatbot. So now I'm going to send a question or a message like, hey, now I should receive this message, welcome to Spice Hub restaurant, and 2 buttons attached to it. And here it is. I have received the same message. Welcome to Spice Hub restaurant. Please select your order from menu below. If I click on this yes to proceed, it will ask me some question, and as I answer the question, all the details will be added to this Google Sheets spreadsheet. So it is asking me the breads. I'll go with this naan. Next, it's asking me veggies and curries. I'll go with this mixed veg. Next, it's asking me rice. I'll go with this veg pulao. Then I'll go with this dal makhni for dal, and the beverages will be cold coffee. So here it is. After placing your order, your details will be automatically added to our Google Sheets order management system, and it will reach you soon. So let me open my spreadsheet and check whether all these details are added there or not. And here it is. We have added all the details. So you see breads, veggies, rice, dal, beverages. These were the questions which were asked, and as I have sent the answers, all these details are added. You can see these details are same. So this is the third chatbot using which you can collect the details of the customers and add that to your Google Sheets spreadsheet. You can also send these details to the CRM. Instead of Google Sheets spreadsheet, you can send these details to CRM. Here you have to attach this API request, and to send these details from my chatbot to any other Google Sheets spreadsheet like this or to any other CRM, I have created this workflow using Pabbly Connect, where I've built the connection between Webbook by Pabbly and Google Sheets in this particular chatbot. You can also take any other CRM. Now I'm going to attach the link of all these 3 chatbots in the description below, and I'm also going to attach the link of these 2 flows for you to understand the step-by-step process. These are the top 3 WhatsApp automation AI software which you can apply in your business, and you can automate your WhatsApp conversation with the user without you manually lifting any finger. Now before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbots. And I hope you liked this video and understood this video very well. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you want to know the pricing plans which Pabbly provide, you can check out the link given over here. If you have any queries, you can mail us at sales@pabbly.com, and if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching.